Welcome to the CF7 Skins YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be going over some of the ways you can use special mail tags to configure email notifications within the Contact Form 7 plugin. If you would rather read and work through this at your own pace, we have an article in the CF7 Skins blog that covers the same topic. Special mail tags are a great way to gain extra information through contact forms, and given the simplicity of Contact Form 7, they're no harder to implement than regular mail tags. When you're configuring email notifications, you can add different standard mail tags like your name or your email, which will add the values or data that the user submitted into the contact form to the final email. A typical form with standard email setup will probably look something like this, whereas a contact form with special mail tags added can look like this, depending on which tags you choose to add. Don't worry if your page looks slightly different to ours. This is because we use CF7 Skins to make the creation of Contact Form 7 forms a little bit easier for us. The CF7 Skins plugin is available for download for free. The link can be found in the description of this video. Special mail tags in Contact Form 7 can be split into 4 different categories: date and time, user information, referee information, and serial number. The special mail tags for date and time are date and time. To use them, just add them into the email body. Every tag is entered this way. Now, every time the form is submitted, Contact Form 7 records the date and time of the form submission and adds it to the final email. There are 2 special mail tags you can use that provide additional information of the users submitting the form. The first one is Remote IP, which records the IP address of the user submitting the form. This may be useful if you need to know the location of the user. The other is User Agent, which provides the details of the browser and the device being used, which could be helpful when assisting in technical support. To get the URL of the submitted form, you can use the URL tag. This can be useful if you have multiple forms submitted to a single email address. Using the URL of the form, you can easily identify which contact form the user submitted. For the details of the post or page, use post ID, post name, post title, or post URL. If you have the same form on multiple pages, these tags can help you determine which page the form was submitted on. It isn't necessary to use all of them at once. Depending on the situation, you might need only 1 or 2. Please note that using post name will retrieve the slug of the post. If you don't know what a slug is, there is a link in the description that will help you out. Apart from this, you can also retrieve the details of the author with post author getting their name and post author email, which retrieves their email. Feedback or review forms might require this information. Here you can see an example of the final email, which contains the details of the post author and their email. There's one last special mail tag which provides a unique serial number for each form submission. Using the serial number tag, a serial number is added to each email notification. Contact Form 7 automatically increases the number by 1 after every submission. This special mail tag only works if you have installed Flamingo version 1.5 or higher on your website. For details on Flamingo, see the link in the description. While the special mail tags provide useful information, they should be used wisely. Make sure that you don't disclose information about your users without their consent or use it inappropriately. It's your responsibility to protect your user data. For this reason, we recommend that you're sure that you need the data from a special mail tag before adding it to your email notifications. You should now know how your Contact Form 7 forms can be set up to send additional details in your emails using the special mail tags. If you follow these steps and you are still having problems, there's a link in the description below that you can read and follow to help troubleshoot issues you may be having. Alternatively, you can ask a question at the Contact Form 7 support forum, which is also linked in the description. You can also sign up for emails on our website to get free tips from Contact Form 7 experts. Thanks for watching.